Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how you can use a free VPN service in PC. First thing first, go to your favorite browser. Search for protonvpn. And click on Download VPN for your device. Then download protonvpn. Now open the exe file. Then click on Next, Install. Then Finish. After finishing the setup, open protonvpn. After launching the application, you need to create VPN account. After signing up, enter the username and password, then log into the application. Now you can see all free VPN servers. To check your IP address, search "What's my IP?" You can see my IP address. Let's connect to any server and check whether it is working or not. See that my IP address changes. By this way you can use free VPN service and enjoy the content out off the limits. Thank you for watching.